Hey guys, so I just want to share a quick tip that I do with all of my clients, and it saves them a heap of time and it saves me a heap of time as well. And it's a quick Divi tip. So everyone knows I love me a good Divi website. They make my clients' life so much easier and they're just really super duper simple for anyone to update. So that's why I use it all the time in my business. One thing that a lot of people don't use is actually the colour picker default palette. I love having everything consistent and keeping everything really streamlined. So I actually update these when I go into a client site. This is a development site at the moment. So we're loading up the logos. You load up your logo and your favicon here. So your favicon is your little icon up in here. But you can also go through and change up the colours that come up in your colour picker palette. So I like to set these up for my clients with all of their brand colours, and this way they can just go through. Always consistent, it's always on brand, and it's really easy to change the colour of text, headings, anything like that anywhere throughout the site. So you just go into your Divi theme options in the admin. And under general here, you can click on these and just update them to anything. Go ahead, scroll down and click Save Changes, and you're all set to go. Whenever you get the option to pick colours, all of your defaults will be there ready to go. Hope that helps.